Hey everyone, Raddad Cooks here. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time, don't make it your last. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. Today we're gonna learn how to cut up a bell pepper. I wanna start by getting that top off. Cut it right above the stem so that way you can pull this whole centerpiece out. Now, just cut the pepper in half. Cut it so you keep the pith on one side of the hash so you can easily remove it like this. Once we get that pith out, we're gonna go ahead and then cut those halves in halves and get the remaining two out. The pith is edible, it's just flavorless. It could be bitter if it's a crappy pepper. Now we got our pepper broken down into the lid and the 4 panels. Let's take a look at what kind of cuts we can get out of each of these pieces of bell pepper. All right, well this first one we're gonna do a little julienne. So the julienne, we're kind of cutting across the way you can see the grain of the pepper like this. And we get these flat, thin, couple inch long pieces, good for sauteing. Now we're gonna cut this panel just right in half, and that's a good skewer right there. Or you could just do the whole panel if you like them fatty. The top part is always best for dicing, and also those longer pieces we made for the kebabs, we can go ahead and dice those too. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video and learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Thanks for coming by. Peace!
Like, comment, subscribe.